If it is making an angle of 60 and 30 degrees in equilateral triangle, let's say it is 60, 60 and 60 each other. These two and three angles are equal, and if we draw the perpendicular from this, let's say it is A, B, C, D, and this length is 2, this length is 2, then this length will be 1 and 1 there. Then with the help of this Pythagoras theorem, 2 square minus 1 square root is equal to BD, and that thing is equal to root 3. So if it is 60, then this angle will be 30 degree. Then sine of 60 is basically equal to root 3 over 2. Cos of 60, that is base over hypotenuse, that is 1 over 2. And tangent of 60, that is equal to perpendicular over base, that is root 3. And we know that opposite to that angle is 30. So sine of 30 is equal to 1 over 2 cos of 30 is equal to root 3 over 2, and tangent of 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. So these are the trigonometric ratios of 30 and 60 degrees there in non-paper.